Stop using MT4. So, rumor has it this upcoming spring 2023, MT4 is actually going to be going away. So, it's best to get accustomed to MT5, and lucky for you, I have a tutorial today on how to use MT5. So, MT5, there's no technical errors, there's no glitches, it works a lot faster, especially when you're placing your trades. So, first things first, go ahead and go to your app store and download MT5. Once you've already gone and downloaded MT5, what you're going to do is add your broker. As soon as you open the MT5 app, it's going to prompt you to go ahead and accept their terms and create your demo account with the MetaTrader 5 app. I'm going to recommend that you go ahead and whichever broker that you're using, you use their demo account just so that you can get a feel. If you don't have a broker ready, I'm going to recommend that you go ahead and check out Hero FX because it works best with MT5. Hero FX has the lowest spreads, especially with indices. You get extra decimal points, so the spreads are even lower. You can even trade right from their platform on WebTrader 5. Once you're ready to do that, you just click right here and then you add your broker. So I'm going to go ahead and recommend Hero FX. So that is going to be the example that I'm going to be using. And once you go ahead and create your account with Hero FX and you've made your live account or your demo account, you'll simply enter the login information right here and then you'll be in your account. And your name will be right here as well as your account details. Now let's go to the first page. So we have our quotes, chart, your trade, and then your history and your settings. So we're going to start from left to right. So here we are on the quotes page. If you've been on the MT4 app, you'll see there is a simple and advanced tab. So on MT5, you have this button, which you'll be able to change from simple to advanced. So this would be considered the advanced page. And rather than there being a plus button like MT4, you will come here and you can search for any pair you would like to trade. You have your Forex, metals, indices, commodities. So let's say you were looking for an index pair, you can just see what your broker would have to offer. That's why it's important to log into your broker, the one that you pick and choose, because you'll see what pairs they have to offer so that you can practice with those same pairs. Now, if you want to switch to the simple, you can do so by clicking right here. You can customize what you'll see on that page. So right now on the page we have our bid, our ask, our bid high, our bid low, ask high, and ask low. So you can scroll to the right and then you can see all the extra details right here. But let's say you don't want to see them there, you can go ahead and remove and only see what you would want to see. Now let's go ahead and open up the chart. Now, on this page, you have the opportunity to go straight to take a trade, open up your chart. Now that we are on the chart page, you see we went from quotes to chart. So right from the chart, you have your time frames right here. You have your 1 minute. All the M's are your minutes. So you have your M5, 15, 30, H1, which are hours, and then your daily, weekly, and monthly. So here you have the actual prices, and down below you have the date and time. So you have your crosshair here. When you have your crosshair on, the chart won't move. So let's say you wanted to move the chart, you would have to remove the crosshair and then move like that. Move it. And now you're closer, you want to, look at something, get more details, see the exact price and date, you would do that using the crosshair. Now, to go ahead and add your indicators, you can come right here, and let's say you're following a specific strategy, you can go ahead and open any of your indicators right here. And you can change the levels, the style, all right from there. So if you're following a specific strategy, they tell you to use certain coordinates for the pairs. You can change all that information right there. You can change the period, colors, and you can add multiple. So I'm just going to add that, and then you'll see them on the main window right here. So this is the main window. Sometimes if you click certain pairs like the RSI, they will open a separate window. And if you wanted to go ahead and delete them, you can actually press down and delete any additional indicators you don't want on your screen. Just come right here and then you can like press edit and then remove it. And now for your objects. So here's where you can find your trend line tools, support and resistance, Fibonacci, all this right here. And you can use it, and then you can also edit them to your liking and customize them. So now here we're on our chart windows. So let's go straight into how to make a trade. So you can actually take trades right from this page. So let me go to a pair that doesn't have a trade open. So let's go to UJ. Let's go to the chart UJ. Let me find it, chart. And you can click this right here and you can trade right from this page. So when you trade from this page, it's going to be a market execution. So here you have your sell and then you have your buy. You must adjust your lot size before you take a trade because you don't want to over leverage and risk your account. So let's say we put a 0.50 and we take a buy trade. So once you place your trade, you can actually click right here on the buy, on the trade, you see where it says buy, and you can adjust your stop loss. So you can move your stop loss, and then you can move your take profit to where you want it to be. You must hit continue to actually solidify and click modify. So now it shows your stop loss and your take profit. You can trade directly from the quotes page and enter in a trade here, adjust your lot size by using this. Normally I don't, it's of course of preference. I just usually just go ahead and type it in. That's what I'm just leave a standard and go over these with you. So when it comes to trading, you have different ways to enter the market. So instant execution just means that you'll be either entering a sell or buy at these specific market prices, which is the current market price. And then you have your buy limit, your sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, your buy stop limit, and then your sell stop limit. So let me just come back to the chart, and you can also do it directly from this page as well. So this one is a timer. These are for your limit orders, and then this one over here is for your market execution orders. So here you can see the buy limit. So to make it a sell limit, you must be over the current market price. For a buy limit, you must be below. So let's say I wanted to have a sell limit. I can adjust my stop loss right here, and then also my take profit. So when you have a sell limit or any type of limit, what that's just saying, later on when and if it hits this specific price point, to activate my trade, because I am spectating that price will return back to my take profit. And then you would hit continue, just make sure these numbers are correct. So here we have our expiration. So GTC stands for good to cancel, meaning the trade is good, so you cancel it. Expiration today, or you can also specify a certain time and date, and then you can go ahead and place the trade. So GTC is what's just going to be by default, and you can go ahead and place. So now we're on our trades page, and now you have your orders here, meaning the trade is not in action yet until price hits this specific price that you have placed. So you can go here, open up chart. So when price gets here, when and if, then the trade will open and you will have an active trade. So here we have our balance, our equity, our margin, our free margin, and our margin levels. So your balance is how much you have in your account.
Your equity is floating profit and loss, and your margin levels is how you know you're in the good standings with your broker. To close out a trade, you can close the position right from this window, and you can close it. Now you have closed your trade. Now if you would like to close partials, you can hit right here and adjust the lot size to be able to close half the trade. So as I adjust this lot number, you can see the numbers being adjusted right here and how much profit I would close out. So the total lot size I had was 0.41. So let's say I just wanted to close out half of this trade, I would do 0.21. And then I can close it. And I still have the other half of that trade open right here. Still have it open. And then I can see my history results of trades I have closed and open right here. I can see how much I overall deposited into this account. This is a demo account, so I can see how much I deposited into this account. So whether a live or demo account, it will show right here. You can see your profit, how much you paid in swap, commission, and your overall balance in your overall current balance. You have your history of when your trades were filled or not, overall positions you've had open, and then you can adjust at the time. Last thing I'm going to go over is your chart. So you can adjust the settings all to your preference, your strategy, your style of trading, and you can adjust everything right here. You can adjust your volume, your ask price if you want that to be seen, your period separators, your trade history. You can change your colors of your charts directly from the chart color page and customize it to your preference. You can just go ahead and change it, bar up, bar down. So this is where you change your chart colors and just customize it to your preference.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and most importantly that you guys actually learned something and take away from this video. And don't forget to go ahead and create your free trading account with Hero FX, and the link will be down below.